Welcome to the Strategic Cybersecurity channel brought to you by NKFB. If you are new here, thanks for tuning in. In today's episode, we are going to dive in how Africa's legal approach to cybersecurity has transformed over the past 2 decades. It's very important for a CISO to understand the legal landscape, how the legal landscape has evolved over the past 20 years. Because they can be liable, like what we saw in the SolarWinds and Uber data breach. They can be held responsible if they don't have a strong and robust cybersecurity program in place. In the early 2000 up to early 2010, most countries had minimal cybersecurity laws in Africa. Only a few like South Africa, Tunisia, and Egypt has anything formal. The focus at that time was mostly on basic computer crime with a heavily reliance on international donors for ICT support. Things drastically changed in the year 20s, especially in 2014, when the African Union introduced the Malabo Convention. It was a landmark for the continent because that framework were covering cybercrime, data protection, and electronic transactions. But here is a catch. By 2025, only a handful of countries have ratified it. So 11 years after, we only have a few that have ratified it. Regional blocs like ECOWAS and SADC are also start pushing regional model. You see most countries are rolling out their own legal framework, like in South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, just to name a few. What is driving change today? We have a surge in crime, in cybercrime and mobile fraud. We also have a boom in digital services like fintech and telemedicine. We have an influence from international partners like the EU and the United Nations, and we have a growing demand for privacy and data localization. And we have also this new legal frontier. African governments are now tackling AI and digital ID rule, cloud computing and data flow, cyber insurance, and even cyber sovereignty in this geopolitical context. If you look ahead, Africa's cyber law will continue to grow, especially with support from initiatives like we have Smart Africa. We should expect to see more like a GDPR-style data law with deeper public-private cooperation and a bigger role for cybersecurity in economic development. A CISO, who is a strategic person, is an executive. He has a strategic role nowadays in organization, must understand the legal landscape of the vertical market of the organization where they are operating. Without knowing the legal landscape of the vertical market on which the organization operates, the CISO will not have the clear ability to implement a robust cybersecurity strategy for the organization. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.